Unwrapping the Fun. What's an after party? Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that you might have heard if you've ever read about or watched movies that feature big events and celebrations. That phrase is after party. We'll explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in a sentence. So, if you're ready to add some excitement to your English vocabulary, let's get the party started. After party refers to a social event that takes place after a larger or main event has concluded. It's usually less formal and more relaxed than the main event, and it's where people go to unwind, mingle, and enjoy themselves after the official proceedings have ended. Think of it like the bonus fun you get after a concert, wedding, or gala. The term after party has been a part of English social vocabulary for quite some time. It's thought to have originated when people sought to continue celebrating or networking after the main event ended, often shifting the venue to a more intimate or casual setting, such as someone's home, a bar, or a club. Now let's see how to use after party in everyday conversation. Here are a few examples. 1. Are you going to the after party at John's place once the concert is over? 2. The wedding was beautiful, but the after party was where all the fun happened. 3. They're hosting an exclusive after party for VIP guests after the premiere. Using after party correctly can help convey plans and experiences related to social events, and it's a great way to connect with others who share similar interests. You might have some questions about after parties, so let's clear those up. Is an after party only for certain types of events? No, an after party can be for any event, from the most formal gatherings to casual meetups. Do I need an invitation for an after party? It depends. Some after parties are open to all, while others might require an invite or a special pass. That's a wrap on after parties. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what an after party is and how you can talk about it in English. Whether you're describing the latest gala or just a small gathering with friends, knowing about after parties will definitely add a fun twist to your conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Keep learning and keep having fun with English.